Here they are again to peck at my window. As I am new in that room, I feel they just came to pay a visit. Because if it's for food, for at least for the first 5 days, I didn't feed them, and yet they keep coming pecking at the window, which really amazes me. But I will tell you what happened. Soon after that, after the sixth day, please comment below if you know the name of this species of birds. I love them. And sometimes they peck so aggressively as if, open this window for us, we want to come in. Oh, they are beautiful. Please let me know the name of this species of birds.